Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how long it takes to make macarons, step by step. Making these delicate treats is a rewarding process that requires patience and precision. The initial preparation, including gathering and sifting your dry ingredients like almond flour and powdered sugar, usually takes about 10 minutes. Then, preparing the meringue, whether French or Italian, adds another 15 minutes. So, expect to spend about 30 minutes on these crucial first steps before you even begin mixing the batter. Once your meringue is ready, the next critical step is macaronage, which is folding the dry ingredients into the meringue. This process, where you achieve the perfect lava-like consistency, usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. It's vital not to overmix or undermix. After that, piping your batter onto baking mats or parchment paper will take another 10 to 15 minutes. Aim for consistent circles, about 1.5 inches in diameter, to ensure they bake evenly. After piping, your macarons need to rest or dry to form a slight skin. This crucial step, which helps develop their signature feat, can take anywhere from 30 minutes to a full hour, depending on the humidity in your kitchen. Once rested, they are ready for the oven. Baking time is usually 12 to 15 minutes per tray at a moderate temperature, around 300 degrees Fahrenheit. You might need to rotate your trays for even cooking. Once baked, let your macaron shells cool completely on the baking sheet for at least 15 minutes. This allows them to firm up and release easily without breaking. Finally, the fun part, filling and assembling your beautiful macarons. This step can take another 15 to 30 minutes, depending on your chosen filling. So, from start to finish, you can expect the entire macaron-making journey to take approximately 2.5 to 3 hours.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.